Z from UK.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum assalam wa barakatuh.
In Salah, instead of letting the shemagh hang loosely while wearing it as a head covering, is it okay
is what? Is what?
The shemagh.
Is what?
The shemagh, you know, the headgear that you're wearing.
The shemagh, okay.
Oh, apologies.
Huh.
Is it okay if I fold it around the neck like a scarf and place one over the opposite on the shoulder to keep it for dangling during ruku?
So it's not on your head, it's around your neck.
It's on your head the way you're wearing it, but the sides, one side is folded over to the shoulder.
So the
across.
director will show a close-up. Give a close-up, yeah, director. Yani, like this?
The screen's a bit delayed, sorry, Sheikh.
Is it like this?
I can't see, Sheikh, sorry, it's delayed,
Okay.
the screen.
No problem. So this is not permissible in Salat because the Prophet ﷺ, as per the hadith of Ibn Abbas, may Allah be pleased with him and with his father, he said, I was forbidden from tying up my hair and folding my clothes. Scholars say because this prevents the hair, if you have long hair, when you tie it in a ponytail, or you have clothes like this or this and you fold it, you prevent it from bowing and prostrating to Allah with you. So this is not permissible as per the hadith. You have to just let it be like that, and Allah knows best.